Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. To avoid any damage, put the arm delicately on the windscreen. Before you do this, place a paper towel to protect the glass. Take the new blade and install the adapter, which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, start in the same way as you finished removing it. Slide it along the holding. You will hear a click when a stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing. Put the wiper arm back. Operation completed.